The Notre-Dame Cathedral is a historic Catholic cathedral located in the heart of Paris, France. It is one of the most iconic landmarks of the city and a symbol of French Gothic architecture. The cathedral was built over a period of nearly 200 years, starting in 1163 and completing in the 14th century. The cathedral features many notable architectural elements, including its flying buttresses, ornate rose windows, and the famous gargoyles that adorn the building's exterior. It is also home to several important religious artifacts, such as the crown of thorns, which is believed to have been worn by Jesus Christ during his crucifixion. On April 15, 2019, a devastating fire broke out at Notre Dame, causing extensive damage to the cathedral's roof and spire. The fire raged for several hours, with flames visible from miles away, and it was not until the following day that firefighters were able to fully extinguish the blaze. The cause of the fire was later determined to be accidental, likely caused by an electrical short circuit in the building's attic. Fortunately, no one was killed in the fire, but the damage to the cathedral was extensive, with much of the roof and spire destroyed and many of the building's historic artifacts and artwork damaged or destroyed. Since the fire, there has been a massive restoration effort to rebuild and repair the cathedral. The French government has pledged to fully restore the cathedral to its former glory, and many generous donations from individuals and organizations around the world have helped to fund the effort. The restoration effort is expected to take several years, but progress has been made in the stabilization of the building structure and the removal of damaged materials. The rebuilding of the roof and spire is also underway, with plans to recreate these elements in a style that closely resembles the original design. The ultimate goal is to restore Notre Dame to its former grandeur, so that it can continue to be a cherished landmark and symbol of French heritage for generations to come.
Would you like to know more?
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. To keep up with future videos, please subscribe. This is the Two Boomers.